Hello folks, my name is Nando, welcome back to the garage. In today's video we're going to change the seals in the front brake master cylinder. I've never done this before, so this is a learning experience for me as well, and if you're interested then tag along. Right, I've got the manual in front of me. This is the exploded view of the master cylinder. I'm going to use this as a reference just to make sure I put everything back together in the correct order. Now I'm going to put this aside and let's try and figure out how to take this baby apart. Let me just put on some gloves. I think I need to remove this rubber cover thingy, and there is a circlip in there. Not sure if you can see that. This is quite rusty, this one. I'm trying to find the end of it. Ah, I can see it now. Oh, bollocks. Right. The way this works is I have to push this little piston in because my circlip pliers aren't long enough. God's sake. This turns out to be a pain in the butt because I don't have the proper circlip pliers. It's just basically not long enough. So I don't know, I'll have to figure something out. Ah, gotcha. Right, I'm a little bit confused now. This is the master cylinder, and this is the order it came out of here. And as you can see, we've got a spring, a piston, circlip, and dust cap. This is the new kit. It's exactly the same. Spring, seal, piston, circlip, dust cap. But on the diagram, it's slightly different. And yes, this is my this is the model of my bike. It's a Yamaha TDM 905 PS. So as you can see, it's a spring, seal, piston, another seal, circlip, and dust cap. This seal here doesn't exist. I'm not entirely sure what's going on, unless it's unless this was an aftermarket and it's slightly different than the original one, or I don't know how to explain this, but I don't know. I'll just put the new one in and see how it works out. Really, there's nothing I can say about this. So yeah, I got this all cleaned. I'm gonna use some rubber grease, just a tiny smidge. To lubricate the seal. And this goes in this way. Okay. Now, the interesting part will be putting in this this circlip without the circlip pliers. Bloody hell, I don't know. I've told you this before, I haven't done this before, so I don't exactly know what I'm doing. See, the thing is, I don't want to butcher this really. It's my brakes at the end of the day, and that's all I care about really. I don't really give a fuck if about horsepower, torque, whatever. All I care about is stopping power, really. Because horsepower doesn't save lives, brakes do. So let's have a close look at that. Come on, focus. So that looks pretty good to me. Yes, the circlip is all the way down, and it sits in its little recess. It feels a lot better. And this is rubber grease actually. At least that's what it says on the packaging. This came with the brake caliper seal kit. I think that's all for today. It's getting quite late, so in the next video we're gonna put this back on the bike, fill it up with brake fluid, bleed the system, and see if it made any difference. It should really. It's a brand new master cylinder kit, and hopefully they'll sort the issue. I hope you enjoyed that, folks. As I've said, this was a learning experience for me. I've never changed the seals in a master cylinder before. I hope you learned something as well. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss future videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I hope that makes sense. I hope I made sense, and I'll see you guys in a bit.